Yo, what is going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. So, I've actually been having a pretty busy day so far. I've been catching up on orders. A lot of you guys have been emailing me, and it's really hard to get back to all of you guys. But yeah, I've been really busy, guys, so I'm sorry about that. But if you guys have had any delayed orders, I threw in a few stickers, just to make up for it. So, I'm sorry, guys, but I'm sending out all the orders today and tomorrow, so you guys should get them soon, alright? Thank you. So, yeah, thank you guys for the orders. They are coming. And also, guys, while I was getting orders ready, I just realized how I just have a bunch of random inventory. So, guys, I'm actually doing this bundle right here. So, I have this like random curved broke boy sticker, and I got random buttons, and I just got more stickers. So, guys, I'm gonna be doing just random bundles. So, like, yeah, so I just got this random curved broke boy stickers. I got these buttons, and I got just more random stickers. So guys, these bundles will be available, just trying to get rid of inventory. So guys, these will be available on the website if you guys want anything, and also along with banners and all the other stuff we have on the website. So guys, website will be down in the description box below. Hurry while supplies last, because I don't have that much buttons, so I'm only gonna be able to make maybe like 10, 15 bundles, so yep. That being said, I'm about to head over to Leo's. He's going to be working on the 240 bay, so that's pretty hype. I'm going to help him out so we can get that bay ready and drop in the KA. Alright guys, we are now at Leo's house. My boy is standing down the bay, and we're going to try to paint it today, so I'm going to help him right now. And he just showed me the color that he's going to paint the bay, and fuck, that thing's going to look fucking insane. Hey,
I hope, if my skills are up to par.
Nah, they should be, bro. You know how many fucking things we painted? So yeah, guys, if we can get the sanding down by today, then hopefully by tonight we'll be able to spray it legitly with the compressor and all that. So all the stuff is right there, so I'm gonna help him out. Let's get it.
This is a homage beat.
Alright guys, engine bay is pretty much ready. Just getting her all clean, don't want any dirt on the paint, but hell yeah, bro. Get some of those first coats in.
Yep. So I'm gonna do another coat of primer.
You gonna just paint it like this, or you gonna mask anything else?
No, I'm gonna mask this. I'll probably drop the suffering a little bit, mask it, and then mask everything over here. That's about it.
Hey! So Joseph decided to stop by.
I'm down. We're having a Waba date Thursday.
Oh, okay.
Waba date or what?
Bro,
Waba key?
low key we've been sleeping on Waba.
Don't you hate Waba?
I know I don't like Flame Broiler. I fucking hate Flame Broiler with the passion.
Waba key.
No, I think I did hate Waba too, but I went again with them like last week. Sheesh. Guys, go ahead and screenshot this right now for your wallpaper. This looks pretty epic.
Oh, there are the two ISs on the other side.
Nah,
Two more.
thankfully they're not
IS
here.
Sandwich.
I know y'all been gangbanging me right now.
That's dope.
That just gonna look so sick, bro. Yeah.
Born in 99 and I got 99 chicks in my crib.
I was gonna get with some metallics in it, but I was like, nah, that's probably gonna be overkill.
Hey, who was that guy?
You know?
Fuck
Ricer.
no. Fucking I don't know. Alright guys, so engine bay is all primered up and it's pretty much dry now, but looks really good guys. It's pretty much ready to be painted, which will be next time because we need to borrow the compressor from Marcel and yeah, there's no need to rush it. We'll have plenty of time. Probably like Thursday. Oh, what's up, Papash?
Oh, what's
Oh
up?
damn bro, how was work?
Slow as fuck.
Hey, you look cute though, so that's a good sign.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. So yeah, engine bay looks really good. Bro, how hyped are you to paint it
Me?
Thursday?
Oh. I'm pretty stoked.
Bro, it's gonna look so sick. Brian, you gonna be here? You work Thursday?
I always work B. I
Oh
get
shit,
off.
my bad.
I get off at 6 probably.
Oh,
most
so you're
likely.
coming through after. You're
No,
gonna see the
you're
end result.
Oh, you're gonna be done by then, huh? You're
Yeah, I'm gonna start in the morning.
Fuck it. I'll be here. Hey, consider me here.
And we'll FaceTime you. So we'll just put you in a stick.
Yeah.
just right there in the corner. You're gonna have a tripod. It's me
Bro.
working.
I'll be like at work, pull out my phone. Like, oh shit, he's that far. I'm like, hey, that shit looks good.
So I'm so tired. I can't
Yeah, and he's like half asleep, guys. So that's
Alright guys, so make sure you stick around for that video. It's probably gonna be the next video. It is for sure gonna be the next video. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's hit 100K this year, guys. We just hit 50K. Let's keep that shit going. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. It helps us out. We get more suggested, you know. It helps us out, guys. Give it a big thumbs up.
Let me put a quick input. Stay tuned to the channel for some, I guess you say, information for the 50K meet.
Oh yes, we are
Listen.
throwing a 50K meet soon. So guys, stick around. Information will probably be next video because we're still working out the details. So.
Next video, maybe description, but he has a business meeting that you guys are gonna like in the future.
Oh, so